Hey guys, I'm Shashi Pandey and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Indian SIM cards in other countries like Canada. People always have this confusion. Will my SIM card work in another country? Which SIM card should I choose? How much will it cost? I was also worried before moving to Canada as I wanted to receive the OTPs from bank for my transactions. The good news is all prepaid SIM cards work outside India. If you have a postpaid SIM, then you will have to choose from a few roaming packs available, but that can be very expensive if you don't want to use your phone too much or plan on buying a new SIM card when you arrive to a new different country. I converted my Vodafone SIM from postpaid to prepaid before moving to Canada. I know of two different options that you can choose from. One is the international roaming pack and another is using your prepaid phone as you go. That means you will be charged whenever you make a call or send an SMS or even if you receive a call. International roaming packs. You can request your service provider to activate international roaming. You might get free roaming and calling or a subsidized rate. In case of postpaid, you will need international roaming services with some fixed amount to be paid. They charge around 500 per day, which is very expensive, so I would definitely not recommend this. Better buy a new SIM from the country you are visiting and save some money. Mobile prepaid. If you have a prepaid SIM, you can use it abroad to receive messages and calls. Messages are free of any cost and would help in receiving OTPs from banks because you might need to make online transactions while traveling. You will need to add some balance to your SIM card once in a while and make a call within every 3 months to receive services from the operator, else the connection would get cut. If I remember correctly, they charge 99 something for international services when you make a call or receive a call or send a message. So always keep your balance more than 200 if you expect to receive any calls and 100 if you just want to use it for messages. Just have the sufficient balance and you are good to go. This should only be considered if going abroad for a short time, as the outgoing calls and messages can be crazy expensive. They can charge approx 25 rupees for outgoing messages and 100 rupees for incoming calls. If going for a long time, I would suggest buy a new SIM in the country and change a number in all the bank accounts that you hold in India. Now, if you want to know if your phone will work abroad, then I would say all 3G and 4G phones would definitely work. Also, I found this website that tells you if your phone model would work in some random country. I will put the link in the description box below to the site where you can enter the model number and the brand and the country. Now some additional tips that I think would be useful. First one is when you buy a new SIM in a new country, test your new SIM card as soon as you get one. Might not work with the phone you have currently. The second thing, do not leave India without at least 2 travel adapters so that you can use your phone and laptop there. I would say take 3 in case you lose or break one. You can get it at any store related to electrical stuff for around 130 rupees. I hope I have cleared your doubts, and if not, comment below and let me know what else you would like to know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.